welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to do an update on my garden. I know it's been a month and a half, I think, since my last video, and I wanted to give you guys an update of my October garden and all the things that have been going around in my yard in the last few weeks. So the weather here in Arizona is changing. We are finally starting to feel the cool breeze of the fall, and it's very exciting for us because we had a very long summer. So let me show you around really quick and give you an update on how things are growing and what's been going on. Alright guys, I'm going to start here with my pool. So you can see there's been a lot of progress. We're almost done. We got the fence in, we got the travertine, the fountain. We just have to finish now some more tile here, and then the pebble sheen, and should be it. So yeah, then after that we're gonna add more of these steps over here and over here, and hopefully in the future we'll be building a little fireplace in the area as well. So a fire pit in that area. But yeah, let me show you quick the inside here. Like I said, we just have to add this tile here now. They just finished the fountain today, so now they can come back and do the tile. We have our final inspection tomorrow, and we should be good to go. But I know that what you really want to see is the garden, and so let me show you really quick. Ooh. Hey Coco. So here we go guys. This is my smaller garden that I had on this side. Everything looks great. Look at this. Remember this tomato? I don't know if you remember from my previous video. This one was just that small when it started, and look how big it's gotten now. Some cabbage right there, some onions growing right there. Let's come this way, better. I'm sorry for the sun, it's right there. But my beets, carrots, and more carrots and more onions. Yeah, everything seems to be doing great in this one particular. You know, there are some spots like here, like I had more carrots earlier, but then they kind of died. I'm gonna plant some more and see what happens. The same right there. I used to have more onions, and then I don't know what happened. I see this coming out hopefully, but we'll see. But the beets are doing great. And right here, it's my other two beds. And this is what I got since last time. I don't know if I mentioned in my last video or not, but I planted seeds, and a lot of them didn't sprouted because of, I think it's because of how hot the summer it's been. It's just this week is when we finally started to have lower temperatures, so I wasn't able to really grow anything much from the seeds that I planted. So I ended up grown some starters to be able to get something going. This here, tomato, these are from seed. And right here, that's from seed, and I just planted a few more over the weekend, and that's spinach. That's from seed. And then this right here is chard, little ones that are coming from seed. I'm gonna have to thin it out probably. But that's pretty much all I was able to actually grow from seed. I'll show you on the other bed, there's a couple more things, but other than that, everything else I had to buy already started. We got some broccoli here. kale, 2 types, just regular kale and then the curly kale. And peppers. I love peppers. We use a lot of like peppers on our meals. Green, red, yellow peppers and onions all the time. And so yeah, I got 3. And as you can see, one that's already giving me some peppers right there, which is awesome. Yes, over the weekend, not yesterday. It was Sunday, so today is Tuesday. So a couple days ago, I planted more things. I planted some more spinach here, more seeds, and then here a little bit more of cilantro that I bought, but it died because it's so hot. So I planted more cilantro seeds, and then here I planted a bunch of garlic. So hopefully I will be seeing some garlic coming out here soon. Now on this bed, same thing. I had some Brussels sprouts that I planted here. Hopefully this time they'll sprout. My peas were growing here and then they died. I think it got too hot. They just pretty much burned. So I planted more peas here, and I still have my lettuce there, and I planted more lettuce as well. More seeds for lettuce. So I'm hoping in a week or so start seeing something. Here's a bit more cabbage and more cabbage. This is not doing so well, and obviously it's been eaten by something. Yeah, not sure what's going on with that one. Here I have some okra, and guys, believe it or not, I have never tried okra, and I said I was gonna give it a try. I bought a plant and there it is. It's giving fruit already, so I'm excited to try it. Then some tomatoes here that I bought already grown like this. They're doing well too. This one here is supposed to be a yellow squash and a butternut squash, I'm sorry. And I don't know, it was doing great and now it's not so much anymore. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully we'll survive, but I don't know, the weather is changing, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen there. Alright guys, this here is a Japanese eggplant, Japanese type, and I think this change of weather's been a good thing because it wasn't doing so well, and now I think I see maybe a flower, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Lots of spider webs, I don't like that, but I planted some snap beans here too, again, see if this time they will hopefully grow. And I added some other things here. I think it was more lettuce, Brussels sprouts, that's what's in here, and some more carrots in this area. And then here I have some more garlic and more lettuce right here. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got. I got some more here on my containers. Okay, so I still have my mint and my peppermint, another tomato plant that's, oh my goodness, this is the first time I noticed I actually have some tomatoes. I'm so excited, haven't noticed that before. I had this basil that was actually on my garden bed and it's not doing well, so I took it out, put it in the container and see if I can save it. Still a little green, so maybe I'll be able to save it, I'm not sure, we'll see. This other basil is doing great here though. It's actually flowering a little bit, so I'm gonna have to probably cut a little bit there, prune it a little bit. Some oregano here, this also needs to be pruned probably a little bit. Look how beautiful. More cabbage and some strawberries. I'm not doing really well, but we'll see, maybe they'll get better. And yeah, well guys, I hope you enjoy this quick tour of my October garden. As you can see, a lot of things that are growing, and I'm planning on a lot more, probably, hopefully, by my summer. And this year I couldn't do as many as I wanted to. I still want to add some more garden beds here, and a lot of things I had to kind of slow down because we're building the pool and there's a lot of construction going on. We have people coming in and out and a lot of dust and stuff going on in the yard that it was just hard to do my gardening and finish that pool. So once the pool is done, which we're hoping to be in the next couple of weeks, I can have more time in the garden and finish up some other stuff. Maybe I'll still have some more time to plant some other vegetables. And I forgot to show you guys, I have a few more things to show you really quick. Hold on. Right guys, I forgot to show you. So the plan is, once the pool is done, we can take some of this plants and maybe put them in outside of the pool area. I still have my bananas right here growing, and I haven't given you guys an update on that in a while. My bananas seem to be doing fine right now, but they definitely need to go in a bigger container or go on the ground. So that's what's gonna be happening here soon. Same here, this one. And we got this little pear tree as well that we're gonna be planting most likely this weekend. We'll try to do a lot of this stuff this weekend. And this is a 20th century pear. I got at Home Depot. This one is doing great too. This one is gonna go on the ground this week. But let me show you what I already put on the ground. Real quick. Oh, and there. I also have a fig tree that I need to plant this weekend. Hi, Dylan. Hi. Right here, this is gonna go on the ground this weekend as well, which is beautiful and doing well. And right there, and if you can see my 3 little babies. Woo. Here you go. This is a blood orange 3, and it's doing great. Because we do flood irrigation here, really just right now, watering it with the hose. Temperatures went down, so it doesn't need a lot of water. And then in a week or so, we're gonna have irrigation again, and just they get plenty of water that way. Sorry about the bad camera. This one here, it's my lemon that, if you don't know if you remember, but I don't know if you remember, but this one was actually on a container. It kind of went a little bit into a shock when I moved it, but it's still doing fine. I think it'll be fine. Also, when we planted this, that week was very hot, and I think that's what caused all this yellowing of the leaves. And it's looking actually better than it was when I first planted it. So I know it doesn't look great right now, but I think it's gonna make it. I just needed to pass the first week of being a little shocked, but I think the fact that the temperatures went down this week really made it a lot better than it was when I first put it in. So, and I'm even seeing a little bit of new growth right there that wasn't there last week, so that's a good sign. So yeah, this yellow leaves will probably fall off, but seems like new growth coming up, and it's starting to recover, so that's great. And that's a dwarf Mayer, I believe it's a Mayer lemon, I think. And this one here is Mexican lime, and this one looks beautiful too. It's doing great. So yeah. Whoop. Oh, that happened too. For those that been seeing my other videos, there was not well there before, now there is. So that's new as well. But anyway, I think I'm done with everything now. Showing you around. I hope you enjoy this quick, not so quick video and an update on my garden. I will try to do better and have more days once the school is done and I can actually be outside without people working. I can do more videos. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to this beautiful weather that we have here in Arizona. Please don't forget to push that like button, so that helps with the algorithm on YouTube and helps me. And also please subscribe to my channel, and I love to have friends, and I would love you to be my friend. So don't forget to do that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.